We are not against you. We are not against union. We are not against anyone. What we are doing here is for you. Because if we come to what South Sudan Artists Union, and you look at us here, where is union? This is South Sudan Union. South Sudan Artists Union. Look at us. So we came from different tribes, different regions, all of us. But we are fighting for one. Second to that, if it happened that we achieve this one, or copyright, it will be between you, whether you hate this movement or not, is going to benefit you. So let me try to say, unity is a power. If we didn't get or call you, we don't mean that we hate you. It's because of time, and also in next you will be with us. So we are not against any union, we are not against anyone, but we are trying to open our ways as artists.